Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is 5:20 in the morning. I've been up since 3 in the morning. I can't sleep. So what I am going to do now is going to go to the gym. I got dressed already and I am parked a few meters away from the entrance to the gym. It is raining, but the temperature is mild. It is, I believe, 0 or 1 degree Celsius, and most of the snow has melted already, which is good. So it's easier for me to find a spot to park because my car is low profile. Doesn't fit everywhere when there is too much snow. Yes, gym it is, and then let's see how the day goes. It is almost noon, and after the gym, what I did is to lay down a little bit to rest because I didn't have much sleep from midnight or 12:30 until 3 in the morning only. So now that I had a little bit of a rest, then what I'm going to do, because it is raining coming and going. I don't know if you can tell by the windows that they're still wet. I am in a very public space where a lot of people is parking and coming and going, and yeah, I'm still shy with the camera, and they look at me like saying, "What are you doing?" But yes, so as I was saying, I had a little bit of a rest, and now what I'm going to do is to have a coffee and a muffin. Today I'm going to make an exception, and I am going to make an exception thanks to everyone that has been supporting me through PayPal. I really appreciate it. Um, I'm sorry. I try not to be emotional, but thank you very much. I really appreciate your support. And yes, after that, I'd like to go to BCSPC, I believe it is called. It is the animal shelter, and there I want to see if I can volunteer to either walk dogs or anything. Um, because I need the company of the animals at this time in my life. Um, I know that they bring happiness. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Um, but before that, I have to go to Costco and get dates because lately I haven't been feeling like eating much. I've been having only a sandwich in the evening and a sandwich in the morning. And dates are a really good source of nutrition. And if I have at least 5 or 7 dates a day, then I should be good to go. Costco has organic dates, so I'm going to get them today. Yes, let's go. So the McDonald's closest to where I was and closest to Costco is here in Walmart, and we are going to get our drink and our muffin, inshallah. Also, since I need a hot water bottle and someone suggested that the Walmart brand is the best, I'm going to try to find the hot water bottle here for the cold nights. Thank you very much for that suggestion. Hot water bottle acquired. I have no idea what the price is because it doesn't say, but we'll see when we pay at the cashier. Hello. Can I do a small latte?
We don't have latte here. Just a regular coffee.
Okay, small regular coffee with sugar.
Sorry?
With sugar.
1 cream, 1 sugar.
Come again?
1 cream, 1 sugar.
2 and 2.
Small
And
coffee.
yes, and do you have muffins?
No.
So only. Okay, I'll have the chocolate. Those 3 chocolate ones.
You get the thing?
Yes,
Is that everything?
that's it.
That's 3 for 34. It's ready for you. I'll be ready, dear.
Thank you. So, as I mentioned, it was about $10, $11 with taxes included. The hot water bottle, and wow, that was cheap or inexpensive, I'd say. And I got the coffee. I always forget how lame this McDonald's is here in Walmart. They don't sell lattes or anything. There is a caramel latte that I love, and I forgot that here I can never get it. So I got a roast coffee, dark roast coffee, with 2 sugar and 2 cream. Not bad because the McDonald's coffee, it is good. And they didn't have muffins either. So I got this. Really good. Wow. I'm going to finish this and then go to Costco to get the dates, inshallah. Now that we are done with Costco, we are going to go to BCS PCA. Oh, we can't go today because it's closed. Seems to be. Opens tomorrow. So we'll go tomorrow, inshallah. Hi everyone. It is the next day. I am horrible, honestly, because I didn't record that I had my coffee in the morning and I had my regular sandwich, and also I went to the gym and took a shower and wash and dry my hair at the gym. But now that is because actually I started my day late. I don't feel productive because every day is a struggle and pushing myself to move out of the bed, even though the bed causes a backache. But I was able to get up and do everything that I have to do. And here I am at BCSPCA, and that is the animal shelter. And I can hear dogs in the background. I don't know if you can as well, but yes, the purpose of me being here is trying to see if I can volunteer for something. They open only from 12 to 4 p.m. and it's 3 something p.m. right now. And I don't know if you can see, but there is a little bit of sun outside, which I'm happy about because it's the first time ever that I can see the sun here with a blue sky. Because the sun is always struggling to go through the clouds. It's always white, completely white, the sky. But yeah, so before I go in, I have to finish with my protein because I did a full body workout, and I want to make sure that I have my protein with creatine as well. And this is going to be pretty much my dinner because after I drink this, I am going to be full, completely full. It is 325 milliliters of chocolate milk protein, and it has 30 grams of protein, and that I just love it. It only protein, and I add the creatine inside, but I like the latte flavor better. Yes, it's coffee. Yeah, so I'm going to have this, and we're going to head inside in a minute. So yeah, the experience of having the sun in my face, it's been a while since the last time I had issues with opening my eyes because of the sun, but I love it. It is 6 degrees right now, and that's why I'm not wearing my jacket. It gets colder at night, of course, but right now I'm enjoying my no jacket time. So let's go in. I don't know if I can record inside, but if they allow me, I will. Well, it is interesting. I ring the bell, and nobody answered. The door is locked, and yes, there is no way to access BCS BCA, and everything is on the phone and by appointment only. So I'll have to check for other shelters here in the city and see what I can do. I think I am going to go now to Mech and see if they have a one burner stove only, so I can cook everything in the trunk of the car. A one burner stove would fit in the space that I have for the stove, and I will keep the other one in the cargo box, just to, if I have to cook, or if I am with friends in the future in a camping site where we can use the two burners as we did last summer, before I knew that my life was going to change this much. Yes. So I came to Mech, but I couldn't find a one burner. The one burners that they have are the ones that are for backpacking, and I don't like those because I'm always afraid that they're going to tilt and fall. So I don't want that to happen in the trunk of my car or anywhere. So they helped me looking for options online, and there is a jet boil one burner, very nice actually. I loved it, and I have to buy it online, so I'm going to order it and have it shipped to my best friend's address, so I can have it as quick as possible. That's what I'm going to do. It is getting late, The sun is going down, and here is where I say see you in the next vlog. I am going to just find a place to stay the night and go to bed. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. So I hope you like this vlog. It was very random. I just wanted to show more of what I'm trying to do during the day to distract myself, and also to find something that can bring me happiness on a daily basis. So that is definitely a volunteering. So I'm going to keep trying to find volunteering options here in the city, and do my best to get busier during the day. Again, thank you so much, every one of you, for your support through your comments, through your subscriptions, through PayPal, everywhere. How beautiful of a community this channel has attracted, and I am really, really grateful for each and every one of you. And yes, God bless you all. I'll see you soon. Salam alaikum.